Hi, Jenny from Aromatics here. I am going to tell you how to make an all-natural foaming hand soap using safe, fun, and plant-based ingredients. It's healthy and it promotes wellness in your home in a safe and effective way. All right, so we are going to be working with some natural products that we have on our website, www.aromatics.com. We're going to be working with Castile soap, a peppermint hydrosol, jojoba, avocado oil, orange essential oil, and lavender essential oil. And we have these really awesome foaming soap containers. And we're gonna make 3 versions of the same type of soap, which is a foaming hand soap. We're gonna start off making one with Castile soap, peppermint hydrosol, and essential oil. And then we're gonna make one that has Castile soap, hydrosol, and some carrier oil like avocado or jojoba. And then we're gonna make one with Castile soap and water, which is safe and very gentle in case you have little hands around. All right, so let's go ahead and start with our first version of this. So I have an 8-ounce foamer. So I'm gonna fill it up about to there. So I'm gonna dump in this peppermint hydrosol, take it up just to the shoulder. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put 20 drops of orange essential oil in here. And then I'm gonna put in 20 drops of lavender. Now you can use any essential oil combination that you would like. You just wanna check the safety information. All right, so I have a total of 40 drops of essential oil in this particular blend. All right, so now I just have to put on the top to this foamer, give it a gentle shake, and look at that, you are ready to go. All right, if you're someone who likes more of a lather with your foaming soap, we're going to use some more Castile soap than we did in the last foaming hand soap we just made. So I'm gonna put in Castile soap almost all the way up to the very, very top. And this is more of a concentrated hand foaming soap. And I've got mostly Castile in there. And now I'm going to put in a little bit of avocado oil. You could also use jojoba oil or any carrier you have on hand that you enjoy. So we're gonna put in about 1 ounce of avocado. Just fill it up to that shoulder right there. And now we're gonna put in our essential oils. I'm gonna put in 20 drops of orange. All right, and then I'm gonna do 20 drops of lavender. And you can use any essential oil combination that you like. Gently shake it up. And there you go. This is a more concentrated hand foaming soap. Now what we're gonna do is make a more mild version of this exact same concept. So I'm gonna put in some Castile soap. Okay, so I'm gonna fill this up just about halfway with Castile soap. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take just water from the tap, go ahead and just fill that up just to the shoulder there. You don't wanna overfill these because then you'll just have foam soap everywhere. Give it a little shake. This foaming hand soap is healthy, it's decadent, it's so much fun to use, and it smells absolutely gorgeous. So these ingredients are what you can use to make your own foaming hand soap right in your home to promote a healthy environment for you, yourself, your family, whoever's living there. We would love to have you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit subscribe and we will be doing more videos coming up on how to promote a healthy and happy home. Bye for now.